time to talk to you, Alan. Good morning and welcome to today's live trading room. Guys, as you have seen on the post, I have just informed you that we will play some Sinatra. We will make some money today and we will do that, Alan. So I have shorted New Zealand USD, the Kiwi, guys. In the morning, I came here with a trading appetite and I have traded some pairs. Currently, I have made $2,500. As you can see, these are today trades. They are closed. At first, I lost around 4,000, but then I made some nice profits on these pairs and I have gained $2,500. So the next trade that I have placed today is that I have shorted the Kiwi, New Zealand USD 20 lots, stop loss 0.6670 and take profit 66.40. Now, guys, I don't believe today we will have a lot of action. However, we have already placed some trades. I have just placed also some other trades, or one more trade live with you, New Zealand USD. I think that today we might have one or maximum two extra trades, okay? But we will make money. That's the most probable scenario. However, the trading volume from me today is not expected to be too much. Now, guys, I'm very excited, and actually today I'm looking for Sebastian, and the reason I'm looking for Sebastian, you hear me join the trading, is because tonight at 8 o'clock, guys, my team Apoel plays with Beer Shivach from Israel, and I was wondering whether this was the team of Sebastian in order to wish him good luck and wish him that that will win his Europa League today. Guys, match. I'm sure a lot of you are watching the football progress. As I said yesterday, I'm very excited because this weekend the Premier League starts. I'm a Liverpool fan supporter. I'm looking forward for this season. And I believe that my team this season will do well. At least in the friendly games we did well. Let's see. This is Liverpool year. You think so, Alan? Do you support Liverpool as well or not? All fans are welcome. Okay, which team do you support, Alan? You make a joke, so I suppose you are United, right? Manchester United. All right. Okay, guys. So let's go straight into the news announcements for today. We are monitoring the news announcements. I will remind you once again, forexlive.com, our partners' website for the mostly accurate and updated news, guys. We have not important announcements for today. We just have at 3:30 the PPI, basically 12:30 p.m. UTC time, 12:30 p.m. UTC time. We have the PPI month on month for the United States and unemployment claims and core PPI. Until then, we have nothing important. Let me also check some other websites in Bloomberg, Reuters, for example, if we have any updates, and I will let you know. So for the moment, I have only one position opened. I have shorted New Zealand USD 20 lots. I see that Elif, she just, are you still dreaming about Karius? It was a really bad night for Karius. Yes, it was a really bad night. Alan is referring to the Champions League final against Real Madrid. It was a terrible performance by Karius. But I think that with the new additions club made in Liverpool, I think that we will improve a lot this year. I'm not saying that we will take the Champions League or the Champions League, we will take it. Winning the Premier League is more difficult for Liverpool than getting the Champions League, as the years have shown. So, Elif has just entered long positions on DAX. Elif, you can interrupt me at any moment. I don't have any action for the moment on the Forex. So, okay, just a moment, guys. I think I will place another trade. No, it's stuck again. No, it's stuck again. Forget about it. All right, I'm transferring you to Elif.
Unmuted.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, welcome to our live trading session. I see we have, hello, Mary is taking with me, Italy 40, good job. Mary, nice to have you here. Ellen took with me DAX, very well. I will define in a short while also my target prices. I just want to welcome Howard. I see, well, Howard is new with us today, I think. Welcome, Howard, to our nice trading community here. Feel free to use our chat function to ask us any question you want, and we will come back to you. Okay, Howard? Nice to have you here with us. So, yes, guys, I took Italy 40. Look at these guys. Look at this. Is this nice? It looks so nice. The trend is very clear. Our middle Bollinger Band was broken. Our oscillator is still showing an uptrend. So I entered long on Italy 40. And my target is here to get around $1,000 will be okay. And my stop loss is at 21,672, and my take profit is at 21,773. Let me write them down for anybody who would like to enter this trade with me. So I entered Italy 40. Long I entered it at 21,755, and my stop loss is at 21,672, and my take profit is at 21,773. Yes, Ellen, I have a bigger risk. I'm taking a bigger stop loss. And the reason why I'm taking a bigger stop loss is because we have a very wide spread on Italy 40, and the market might move a bit down. To cover this, I'm taking always a bit higher stop loss than my take profit. And once I see that the market starts to move in my direction and I'm in a positive area, I'm moving always my stop loss as well. So this is the reason why my stop loss is higher than my take profit, Alan. So Mary has still a position open on UK 100. Let us see what's going on UK 100. Woo! Mary, I think you are making money, right? You are making money right now, right? On UK 100. Yes, Mary is short on UK 100, and I think she's making money. No, I don't think that it's a beginner's luck, Ellen, because yesterday we were discussing it, and I'm glad for her that she yes, and it's developing very well, and I'm really glad about her that she took this trade and she's making money with this trade. Very nice, very nice. So I want to put also a take profit and target price on DAX, guys. Let me see on DAX. Okay, on DAX, my take profit. Alan showed it Bitcoin yesterday and it dropped quite strongly. It's at 6,000, right? It's at 6,000. We will have a look in a short while. Wow, yes. Let me see. I will put now my target prices for DAX. Our Italy 40 is already in profit, $200. And I will put my target for DAX, and then we will have a short look at Ethereum and Bitcoin and see how Alan cashed out $500. Good, good, Alan. I see, guys, you started to get in the mood and started to make money. I see. It's a good approach. So, still didn't set my target prices. On Italy 40, we are making $500, 700. Ching, ching. We closed Italy 40 with $1,000 profit, guys. Ching, ching. And we need it for this trade, not even 7 minutes. Guys, $1,000. Woo! First trade, good job early in the morning. So next one, DAX is making right now $1,100. Let's see where we put our take profit at 12,651. $400, $500. We are already almost there on my take profit. We are making. Okay, guys, I will put my take profit. I didn't set it yet, but I will set it now. 12,651.70. Yes, go DAX. Alan needs to pay his mortgage. So, and my stop loss is at 12,630. There we go. So we are making $400 right now, and our target on DAX is 560. There we go, guys. We will get that. We will get that, and then we are happy. First 10 minutes, if we get this trade, first 10 minutes, and we have already $1,500 of profit in the morning hours. Good, good. So let's see. I promised you guys to check also Bitcoin, to have a short look at Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Here is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, look at this drop, guys. Look at this drop. Yesterday it was, we are looking right now on the daily chart of Bitcoin. Look at this movement yesterday. It started to be traded at 6,671 and it dropped down to 5,905. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Good job, guys. This was a really, really good trade for Ellen. You entered it very well. And I believe in a short while, like if next week, that Bitcoin might have a reversal in the next weeks. Yeah, Ellen, it looks like, I'm looking at the daily chart and you see this is a strong support level. Yes, it's very scary. The thing is, I was reading that from September onwards, the second biggest, basically it's been now since a few months that NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange, the mother company of New York Stock Exchange, are discussing about opening a trading floor for cryptocurrencies. They want to make it a bit more centralized, not to trade via the wallets and different offerings. They want to make it a bit more centralized. And I know that from September onwards already, from September onwards, even the second biggest stock exchange of Germany, Stuttgart Stock Exchange, will open a floor and trading possibilities for cryptos on the German stock exchange, on Stuttgart Stock Exchange. So a lot of it's becoming more and more a real financial product, not anymore this, how can I say it, unknown product, which it had a huge boom. It's becoming more and more regulated and more interesting for the people. And let's see how it will develop and what the market will bring. So I see Mary said that she's still into Italy 40. It's great, guys. It's a great deal with Italy 40. I hope you manage to make money. With DAX, I see that it started to drop, and I'm a bit disappointed about it. But however, it will get soon again on. I will adjust a bit, might take profit and be a bit more. Alan is asking if this more regulated system on Bitcoin or on cryptocurrencies will hurt the volatility. Look, it gives, most probably it will, because all those people which are not really interested on regulated frameworks and secure frameworks, they will be not interested in trading in very serious environment. But however, it will give to the cryptocurrencies a very formal environment and safe environment, more safe environment than this. What is this right now? I mean, you remember, if you follow in general the news about cryptocurrencies, 2014 we had this big empty box scandal, I would call it scandal, where a lot of wallets that just disappeared. This kind of stuff are not so likely to happen in an environment like New York Stock Exchange, and that's why it looks quite interesting for me, for myself. It looks more safe and more interesting to trade. So we talked a lot. Let's go to our business, back to our business. Let's make some money now, right? Guys, I want to short UK 100. I'm shorting UK 100, and the reason why I short UK 100 is this nice trend. I see over here a nice trend, and I will expect here a take profit of, let me see, it's 7,720. 7,720. I will short, and my stop loss is at 7,739. Let's see, guys, how it will develop. Let's put it a bit further down. There we go. Let's see. You know, guys, we are quite flexible with our targets, and let me see how it will react, and accordingly I might adjust my level. So we are short on UK 100. UK 100, I think we hit stop loss. Yes, we hit stop loss on DAX. We hit stop loss on DAX, guys. Whatever. It was a loss of $300. Never mind. We go to the next one. We will break even here. We will break even. So, short UK 100. And we entered at 7,726.5. Our take profit is at 7,716, and our stop loss is at 7,726. There we go. This is our trade. Now let me see it on. Guys, I will short now DAX. It looks very short. Ellen, if you entered with me the long position and your stop loss was not triggered yet, I'm shorting now DAX. I'm shorting it now, and I'm aiming a profit of at least $300 so we can cover our loss on the previous trade. Come on, not up. Come on. UK 100 is already in money. 1,600. 12,615 is my take profit. We are making right now $300. $300 on DAX. We are making right now $191 on UK 100. We are making money. Come on, UK 100. How is UK 100 behaving? It's okay. It's okay. Gold. Let's have a look also on gold. Guys, gold looks also interesting for me. Oh, yes. Guys, I'm shorting also gold. Guys, I'm shorting gold. I just shorted gold. Okay, gold. I shorted gold. Then my take profit here is 1,210. This is my take profit on gold. I might adjust it. You know, guys, I'm adjusting my take profits throughout the day, throughout the trade. So right now we are short on gold, we are short on UK 100, and we are short on DAX. So let me see my DAX position. Come on, guys. In the previous trade, I was making $500. I didn't close it, and then it hit stop loss. I don't want that this happens again with this trade as well. So with the next profit, about $300, I will close this position. Yeah, I will close this position with the next move. towards $300. UK 100. Yeah, UK 100 is a stable move. And we see. So we are short on gold, short. I see Kyriakos has an update. Guys, I'm passing to Kyriakos.
$3,200 on the Kiwi, guys. We are just 4.5 pips away from our $3,200 profit. There is our trade. Our perspective profit is $3,200. We are just 4 pips away from our take profit target, 66.40, $3,200, guys. The trade is developing well. As soon as we hit take profit, I will let you know. Sorry for the interruption, Elif. You can continue. You can continue.
So, great day for Kyriakos. He's really kicking the markets. He's kicking the markets, and I'm really, really glad. So, this is how we like it. Yes, it's an amazing week. It's an amazing week. Yesterday, he made incredible 13K. Today, he started the day with a profit of 3,500, 2,500, and now he's making another $2,500 on his open position. It's well done, well done. So let's get also some money on the indices floor, right, guys? We want some money. We want some money. So we need a bit be a bit patient with our trades here. Yeah, let's see also what's happening with the US shares. There we go, and now they start with the US shares. Guys, you heard about SEC, what SEC said about Elon Musk this morning. This morning, I told you yesterday it was kind of expectation, but today it's apparently official. SEC really considers to sue Elon Musk for market manipulation. For everybody of you who didn't follow this happening, basically Elon Musk sent a tweet the other day that during market hours, he sent a tweet that Tesla will be privatized. This made the Tesla price to be extremely volatile, and he announced even the financing of it. So it was like $420 for each share, which means that for everybody who has a share on Tesla, they would get $420. And this news made the Tesla price to go crazy. Because the Tesla price went crazy, it was suspended, it was halted, trading hold. The trading was halted for Tesla for a few hours, and then it was opened again. And this market move was, it was kind of market manipulation, and SEC announced today that they most probably will sue Elon Musk for market manipulation. Oh, I see Douglas just joined us. Hello, Douglas. Welcome to our nice trading environment, trading community here at Trademy.com. We had a great start today. Douglas, Kyriakos made $2,500 this morning on the Forex desk. Me, myself, I made $1,200 on an indice. And now we have still some positions open and waiting to develop. Welcome. If you have any questions, that is, just feel free to use our chat function to ask us anything you want. If anything is not clear, you are more than welcome to express your questions here on the chat function. Great. If you have any other further questions, we are always here for to help you. So guys, we have look, DAX is again not moving in my favor, and I'm getting pissed with DAX. Come on, DAX. I'm getting pissed with DAX. We hit, although we were in profit, we didn't hit take profit, and then it turned and it kicked us our stop loss. And now that we are short, again we were in profit, and next time I will close. I told you guys I have to train a bit myself, a bit more to close my positions when it's time. Gold is moving slowly, but on gold I'm quite confident. It has this very strong downtrend, and I'm quite confident that it will get there. We were about to check the US indices. Let's see, US indices. We had this quite strong drop on the US indices. I see Kyriakos has an update for you guys. Kyriakos, kick the market.
Okay, guys, we are approaching our take profit. We are just 3 pips away from the $3,200 on the Kiwi short position we have taken this morning. Let me put the 1 minute chart on the Kiwi. Stacked. Okay, stacked again. Okay, guys, just wait for the MT4 to load a small. Okay, let's go back to Elif, and when it works, I will come back to you. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Okay, guys, let's see what is Kiwi doing here on my side. Let's put Kiwi. Wow, so the current price on Kiwi is 43 and very close to it. Yes, Kyriakos, it's very close to it. Your take profit. Nice. Let me see. Here I am, my screen. There we go. So very close to hit. Any moment it can hit your take profit. However, we are going back. Let's see also again to Italy 40, guys. We made this morning a nice trade on Italy 40, and I'm considering right now if I should enter another one trade on Italy 40. Mary, yours is still open. Yep, it's good, very well. You are making.
Okay, guys, I just closed New Zealand with $2,000 profit. I just wanted to know. Just a minute to share. Sorry for the interruption, Elif.
No problem. It's a great thing. Great profit.
Yes, I have just closed New Zealand with $2,000 profit, and we have raised our profit to $4,500. I had some technical issues, so I closed it. That's fine. No, not a loss, at least. Thank you very much. Elif, you can continue. Sorry for the interruption.
No problem, Kyriakos. Anytime with this kind of interruption, I feel more than happy to see this kind of interruption. So let's go. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. I see. Yes, we are back to our US indices. USA 500. USA 500 is developing. USA 500 in general, it's a quite slow asset. I don't really trade it much. I love to trade USA 100 and USA 30. On USA 30, let me see, we can get any nice trades. At the moment, you see, guys, and I think Douglas and Howard are new to the trading session. In general, just for your information, what I do is I'm trading indices and US indices. I'm trading a lot in the afternoon when the market, the New York Stock Exchange opens. And here you can see, for example, this is the chart, the daily chart. The market movements are not very big, okay, in daily chart. But when we go to the 1 hour chart, we see that during the opening, the 1 hour chart shows that during the opening, we have huge volatility. The opening is around, let me see, I will show you directly, is at, on this platform time, it's at 4:30 at this platform time, so 16. There we go. You see here, this is, for example, the time here when the market opens. You see the volatility, right, guys? Here you see how small, relatively small the movements are, and here you see during the opening how much volatility we can expect. Also the days before, here, this is the volatility until the market opens, and once the market opens, you see here from 4 o'clock onwards how big the volatility and the movements are. And this is what we are trading. In the morning, we concentrate on the European indices, and in the evening, we concentrate on the American indices. This is what we do. And in the meantime, we trade also a lot gold. So with gold, we have a position open on gold right now. And the market moves quite strongly against us. Strongly, with for the last 15 minutes, it's moving against us. What I'm expecting here at 1,211. Yeah, that it will start to drop around this level here, because you see here it drops, here it drops, it's hitting all the time against it and then turning. So I might consider over here to increase my exposure and open again a sell position to get the move here, Let me see, once I get the confirmation from my indicator, I will do this step. I will take this step. Yep, once I get the confirmation, I will do this step. So guys, tell me, let's have a look together what kind of news are expecting us today. I think I will get sick, guys. My throats are very dry, just. So, however, let's have a look together what we will expect today. And today, We always check our upcoming news and in general any information we are looking for our trading. I'm checking always from forexlife.com. It's a very trustful page and fast page where you can get information quite easily and fast. So today, last week we had a lot of action and a lot of news, fundamental news. Today in general, today is 9th of August. The only interesting, very interesting announcement is PPI of the states and jobless claims of the states. A part of this, nothing big to expect. For anybody of you who didn't know what is PPI, is the producer price index, which means it's measuring the change in the price of goods. No. It's the price of goods sold by manufacturers. So it's a kind of inflation indicator. It's indicating the customer price inflation, and as you know, on fundamental news, it's always important to follow inflation numbers, as house sales numbers. Okay, go. House sales numbers, and one of these is also the producer price index. This will be announced today, and if the announcement is positive, it should be expected that it's bullish for the USD, and if it's lower, then it's then the expectation it should be bearish. So just for you to know, just for you guys to know, and we expect that announcement today at 12:30 GMT time, 12:30 GMT time, and I think it's a nice fundamental news which we might trade. I don't expect a huge movement, but still I'm sure if some pips and some small profits we can make out of this. Furthermore, late in the afternoon or almost night, we have also Japanese yen GDP. Announcing for all of you, for myself, since I'm not trading Asian share, guys, I might open again short trade on gold. I have already one short trade, but I'm considering to open another one. Let me see. Okay. I'm waiting for the confirmation from my indicator. Once I get the confirmation from my indicator, I will sell gold again. I will increase my exposure, guys, just for you to know. Yep. This is DAX, by the way. Also UK 100 got stacked a bit. In the next movement, we will close the position, guys. In the next movement, we will close the positions because we made our analysis based on a 5 minutes time frame and it reached our target, but we didn't close it on time. Now it's already a bit late, you know. Okay, DAX started to give us some profit. DAX started to give us a small profit, guys. Let's see also gold. Gold. I didn't get the confirmation yet, but once I get the confirmation from my stochastic oscillator, I will go short on DAX, on gold. I will increase my exposure. I will go again 10 lots of short on gold once I get my confirmation. I'm waiting here for my confirmation. What I'm looking for, basically, the stochastic oscillator is showing us the underpriced and the overpriced level, and the area between 80% and 100%, this area over here, is showing that an asset, the underlying asset, is overpriced and that it's time to reverse. And the area below 20% and 0, this area over here, is showing that the underlying asset is underpriced and you expect the price to increase. And you can see it very well. For example, here we have a cross. Okay, wait. Okay, as I said, I'm waiting for the signal to sell again gold, guys. Let me see on the 1 minute chart. Guys, I will close it. However, I just need to be a bit patient to enter the market on the right time. I need to enter the market on the right time. Well, let's wait a few minutes more. On the 1 minute chart, let me see on the 1 minute chart. You see this was the uptrend and it slowed down. It's coming close to the upper Bollinger Bands. Okay. Let's check in the higher level. However, I want a good entry level. I believe the perfect entry level would be here at around 12.12-ish. But I don't want to risk to lose. Okay, leave. I will wait for the confirmation and then I will go for it. I see that Kyriakos has an update. Please, Kyriakos, feel free.
Thank you very much, Elif. So sorry for the interruption, guys. I had a small problem. Now it's fixed. No worries. So far, I have realized $45,000 profits, and I'm looking for setups to dollar CAD and dollar CHF. I think they will give good setups for either positions. So
Muted.
I'm patiently waiting for the setups to be given. It will be given at any moment, especially on dollar CHF. Most probably we'll go long, guys, but I'm waiting for the confirmation to arrive. Of course, I will let you know. And also these 1-2 hours, the next 1-2 hours will be crucial for dollar CAD. Remember that yesterday, and this is called Forex rotation, yesterday we traded the dollars, euro dollar, pound dollar, euro yen, Aussie dollar, Kiwi. Today we traded the dollars as well, but as you can remember, dollar CAD and dollar CHF have not given any confirmations yesterday. So I believe today the money are on these two pairs, dollar CAD and dollar CHF. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that they will go in the same direction. So maybe you see me shorting, for example, dollar CAD and going long dollar CHF. So as I said many times, I'm trading each pair as a separate entity. Very rarely I'm looking at correlations. Very, very, very rarely. So I will not say, for example, oh, the dollar is weakening, is strengthening today, so I will long dollar CAD, long dollar yen, long dollar CHF. Not at all. I'm not doing that. So maybe you see me having long positions on dollar CHF and short positions on dollar CAD. And I repeat, this is not hedging, okay? I'm not doing it for hedging purposes. I'm just trading every Forex pair, every Forex major pair, because I'm trading only the majors. I'm just treating Forex, every Forex pair as a separate organism, as a separate entity, okay? So I think I will have short positions on dollar CAD, but I need to wait for this hour to close. If I get the confirmation signal, I will go live, trade it, push the button, and inform you accordingly, okay? So, as I said, we started the day relatively well. Definitely, I believe we will have one or two more extra trades today. And I think these extra trades will be on dollar CAD and dollar CHF. So we still have the day in front of us. I hope to increase the profitability of Trademy today. How many of you guys have traded any Forex pairs? You would like to communicate with us, to exchange, to have a discussion, you can type your questions in the chat room. Another thing that is important is that, as I mentioned yesterday, Trademy is a company that provides all three aspects that anyone who wants to be successful in trading wants. We have a very good training programs. Depending on the training program you choose to enroll, you get also a fully funded account by Trademy, which can exceed $150,000. Profit splitting ratios are above 70% for our traders, because what's the point of learning stuff if you cannot take advantage of them and actually make money out of it? So we have the training programs, we have very good account managers supporting with years of experience in the Forex market, and guys, also you have the mentors. Who are the mentors? It's me and Elif. We are here to assist you improve your trading strategies, to teach you things that are not in the books, to show you how theory is applied into practice. So you can have a one-to-one session either with me or with Elif. What we can do in this one-to-one session, don't expect us to give you tips. That's not the value of the one-to-one session. Expect us, however, to examine your trading system and improve it. Expect us to assist you design trading system, always depending on the type of trader you are. Are you a scalper? Are you an intraday trader? Are you a daily trader? Each one of us has a different time frame of trading. Expect us to design and improve your risk, reward, and money management strategies. So if you have a system that doesn't work, come to us. We will examine it together. We can give you valuable feedback how to improve it. And this can be done through one-to-one sessions, or if you learn an indicator and you don't know how to, in theory you know what it is, but you don't know how to apply it in practice, contact us again. We are here to assist you and show you the practical aspect of technical analysis, always by using live prices, live charts, how we do things in practice. So I'm patiently waiting for this 1 hour to close. This will be done in approximately 7 minutes, and most probably, guys, I think I will have short positions on dollar CAD. I just wait for the confirmation to appear, and we will see how it goes and let you know. That's all I have for the moment. Stay with us. I will wait for this 1 hour to close. If I have any trades to place, I will let you know. Elif, you have any updates, or it's okay?
No.
You have? Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif. In 5 minutes, I will let you know if I have a setup for a trade or not.
Unmuted.
Hey guys, here I am again. So, guys, as I told you, I'm waiting. Here we go. I'm waiting for the cross here, and I see that it's coming close. Once I have this cross in my stochastic oscillator, I will sell gold again, because for me it's clear the gold trend goes down, and when I have the cross, I have two confirmations, guys. I have the confirmation from the Bollinger Bands. I have the confirmation from my stochastic oscillator and from the support levels. It just broke through the support levels, and once I have the confirmation, for me it's time to go short. This is what I want to do, and this is what I'm waiting now, and then I will get this movement until down, because I'm expecting here the market to move down, and I will close the trade when it's in profit, and I will get the profit for all these trades. This will be my strategy for now, for the afternoon, and we will see how they will develop. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. This is what I will do with my trade now. Once I have the crossover, I will trade a short position. If you have any questions, let me. So, yeah, Mary is asking me what I think about Italy 40, our favorite. I believe slowly you can close it. Because as you see, it is on the level of yesterday. You see over here, it's on the level of yesterday, yesterday's opening, and I think you should close it to book your profits, and we see later on if we find another possibility to trade it. So I think it's a good time now to close, and then we see. How much you made, Mary? How much you made on this trade? $700. Good job, Mary. I'm really glad, and you made also some money on UK 100. It's going läuft. In Germany, we would say läuft. This is it, right? Wunderbar. Very nice, very nice. I see that the candle which Kyriakos was waiting for just closed. Kyriakos, do you have an update?
Actually, 5 more minutes left to close.
It's not enough.
Just, I have the 1 hour chart exactly. Closes at 05.
Okay.
And I'm looking now at USD CAD for short positions. Patience. What else can I say? just stay with us, guys, for 3 more minutes, and I believe we will have the trade if we have the confirmation, of course. Now, until we get this confirmation, because I have some stacking on the pair, just to tell you that today I started the day losing around $5,000, as you can see, $4,600. These are my first 4 positions. They ended in a loss, but then we have managed to fully recover, and now for the day we are up a bit more than $4,500. What I'm trying to say here, if your trades are in a loss, keep your patience, be patient, follow your strategy, and you can see that the strategy at the end will pay you out, guys, okay? So you don't need to panic. You don't need to panic at all. You don't need to quit trading because you hit, for example, 4 trades loss. So what? It happens. My first 4 trades, I'm down $4,500. But then, as you can see, I stick to the strategy. We have made some money. I hope some of you have made and followed us as well. And good day. Hello, Jake, and nice to have you in the trading room. I'm just explaining, Jake, now how my trading day was. And I was telling that I started the day, yes, with $4,500 loss. Shall I panic? No. As soon as you feel comfortable with the loss, you don't panic, guys. Stick to the strategy, and you see that the system eventually pays out, okay? So you don't need to panic. There is no reason to be disappointed. What kills, guys, is leverage. For example, I'm trading with 20 lots, okay, but I have $1,200,000, okay? So that's 2 times leverage per position. So if you have a $50,000 and you are trading with 20 lots, that's too much. So be careful with your leverage positions, please. So let me see now. I'm getting ready for, most probably I will check now if I see the setup for dollar cut. It closed. No, guys, I don't have the setup. Anyway, I will let you know if I have any trades. For the moment, I think that's the end of our morning session. We will be online. If you have any questions about any trades you have taken in Forex, contact me, or if you have any questions regarding any trades on CFDs, metals, and commodities, you can type in the chat room and Elif will respond to you straight away and provide you with any assistance you might need or request. So stay in the chat room. We will have some nice educational webinars for you guys. If you want to discuss about any trades, for example, euro dollar, yesterday I think, I don't remember the name, someone asked me about the euro dollar. I told him that the support level is at 115.79. However, we were short. So this type of discussion we can have in the chat room. So that's all I have for the moment. I don't have any trades for the moment. We will definitely have some, or at least 1 or 2 trades throughout the day. Stay with us, guys. And in a few moments, we will have some nice educational webinars, like, for example, how to prepare for a trading day and some other interesting stuff. Thank you very much for watching us. If you have any questions, use the chat room, and we will be more than glad to answer any questions you might have. Thank you.
Trademy. My name is Kyriakos Harilou. I'm a chartered market technician, and today we will talk about the plan of an intraday trading day preparation. So that's a very interesting subject, and I hope you enjoy it. The title of this subject is how to prepare for an intraday trading day. So if you are an intraday trader in stocks or in Forex or any other type of instruments, what are the steps of preparation you should follow? And this is a 5-step process professional intraday traders follow. During my past 13-year career, as you know by now, I have trained a lot of traders, and I found out that the majority of them, including myself, have these 5 steps in common when they prepare themselves for intraday forex trading or any other intraday instrument trading purposes. So, the 5-step process. Step 1 is the preparation stage process. Step 2 is the pre-trade analysis. This refers to the actions that you need to make before you place your trade. But the most important part is step 3 of the process, trading decision. Step 4 is the post-trading behavior. Now, once you have placed the trade, what your behavior should be after you have traded after you have placed that trade. And step number 5, how do you evaluate your results and how do you close positions? So let's see. Number 1 is the preparation. You need to read the news, the major headlines. What's the current engine driving the markets? What is the news announcement that occurred and is currently has an effect in the markets? What news are out? What was the impact? And what news are expected? You don't need to monitor all the news and understand them, of course. You just need to try and figure out which of these news announcements have an impact on the markets and they are currently driving the markets. When you have a news announcement, any data that comes out is divided into 2 elements. Its validity importance and the impact on the markets. Maybe a news announcement is perceived as very important, but it doesn't have an impact on the market. Or maybe an announcement is considered to be less important or unimportant, but at the end it has huge impact on the markets. So you need to monitor that in your preparation stage and be able to identify and figure out which news are driving currently the markets. Don't trade the news. This is a huge mistake to do. I mean, don't trade the news. Don't say that, oh, for example, I'm expecting a non-farm employment change of US dollar to fall, so I will short euro dollar, for example, or I will long euro dollar because of that announcement I'm expecting. No, the news are there to give you the bigger picture of what is driving the markets. So this is step number 1. Step number 2 is the pre-trade analysis. Open a naked chart. Only price should be visible of the instrument that you wish to examine for any investment opportunities. Maybe this is Forex, maybe it's a stock, maybe it's a commodity, maybe it is an index. It's an index. See what has been done for the current day and for the past 2 days. Okay, so how does the price reacted during the past 1, 2, 3 days? Mark major support and resistance levels on the chart you are looking at. Check for fresh lows or highs and also mark today's highs and lows and compare them with yesterday's highs and lows. By doing this, it will give you an idea to identify the current price range and the volatility of that instrument you are examining. So you will identify at which point we are standing now. Try to figure out where the chart is trading, within which range. Don't fill the chart with lots of lines. Make sure you have maximum 4 or 5 lines on the chart. Don't suffer from paralysis from analysis. It's a dangerous situation to do that. I know that a lot of you might be passionate about technical analysis and have learned a lot of concepts about technical analysis, and they have put Ichimoku on the chart, they have put Fibonacci on the chart, they have put like 10 moving averages on the chart. But at the end, you cannot see where the actual price is, so don't do that. Try to keep the chart, the price chart, as clean as possible, because at the end, you are not trading the moving averages, you are not trading the oscillators, you are trading the price action. Try to figure out the current trading range, and once you do that, start to build possible scenarios if that range breaks to the upside or if that range breaks to the downside. So right, scenario 1, for example, if it breaks to the upside, then I'm expecting the price to reach at XXX level. If it breaks to the downside, there is a good support level from yesterday at this level. Write these things down. Don't say I remember them. No, keep a diary and write them down. Upon completion of the possible scenarios, then you will proceed and make a trading decision. This is the most important step. This is the step where you actually push the button. First, you need to decide what type of position, trade, or order you will place. That's very important, point number 2. You need to check your checklist for confirmation data, consensus of the data, of the confirmation signals that confirm any long or short positions you're about to take. Keep your feelings ahead and separate from trading. If your checklist tells you short and the price confirms that, go for it. And vice versa. If the price says short and you have a confirmation on your checklist for short positions, go ahead and do it. But before you place the button, you need to check one very important thing. And what is that? Your reward to risk ratio. So you need to have a strategy on that. And definitely my personal opinion is to keep the reward to risk ratio for intraday trading purposes at the majority of your trades, minimum 1:1. And on an average of 1.5 to 1. What does this mean? If you are going to lose $10, then you should go for a win of $10 or more, not less than $10. If this is not satisfied, then you need to find a better entry level on the trade you are about to place. So if, for example, you are trading Forex and now you want to short, but the reward to risk ratio is not good, let's say euro dollar at 1.17, and the reward to risk ratio is not good, maybe you want to short at a higher level. So place a sell limit order at 117.15, at 117.10, at 117.20, at the price where it fulfills the 1:1 reward risk ratio criteria. And now you have just placed your trade. So what's the next step, which is again the second most important thing? Once you place a trade, don't watch the chart all the time. And that was the biggest problem I had when I started trading 13 years ago. You don't need to stick in front of the PC, smoking 2 packets of cigarettes, get stressed. You don't need to do that. And in number 2, I give you a suggestion. Delete the chart from your watch list. Don't even watch your trade on the chart. Once you place a trade, it's finished. It cannot be undone. And it will either hit a stop loss or a take profit. So by staying above the screen will not change anything. It will just make you more anxious, stress you more, and even the majority of the cases drive you to make wrong decisions. For example, oh my God, it's going to hit stop loss, I will close it now and suffer less losses. And what happens after you close it? It falls down and hits your take profit, for example. So don't watch the chart. Push the button, make your trade, and delete the chart. Don't monitor it. Start to examine other instruments, for example. If trading opportunities arise, trade them. If, for example, you have placed a long position on DAX, delete the chart, you put your stop loss, tick, you have your risk reward to risk management satisfied, tick, forget about it. Let's check, for example, now dollar yen. Maybe we have another opportunity on dollar yen. If you stay and you watch DAX, you will get emotionally tight and upset with DAX, and then you will lose other investment opportunities which might be better than DAX in other pairs. So don't get stuck with one trade and don't monitor it all the time. If trading opportunities arise, then trade them, other pairs. If not, and this is again very important, go away from your desk. By being an intraday trader, you have one advantage other professions do not have it. You have independence of time. You are the boss of yourself. Go out for a coffee. Meet some friends. Enjoy time with your wife, with your husband, with your family, with your children, with your dog. Enjoy the time of independence you have as a professional intraday trader. My philosophy is, if you enjoy trading, you need to enjoy your life. From the moment that you feel that trading does not allow you to enjoy your life, or it makes you stressful or nervous, or causes family problems, simply stop trading. You are not for these jobs. But you need to enjoy it. You have placed your trade. What's the point of being there and monitoring it? Go out and enjoy the independence that this profession is offering you. So that was step number 4. Now, how do we close positions? You need to come back to your desk after a few hours, or after you feel that you have rested enough and now it's time to go back. As soon as you do that, you need to check closed positions, not the positions that are running. Don't even look at any profit and loss unrealized balance. It will make you if you do that, it will make you worry. So don't look at that. Just click the account summary on the MT4 and check for any closed positions. Did you hit stop loss? Did you hit profit? If you have losses, however, you need definitely to identify the reasons of the losses. If you hit profits, no worries, a big well done. You have done a very good job. Now you move on to the unrealized positions, and you need to make a very important decision. If trades are still running, you need to keep a steady policy, but for both unrealized profits and unrealized losses. Do you keep them overnight until they close by themselves, or do you close them before the end of the end of the day's trading session? But be careful now. Don't close just the profits and let the losses, or don't close just the losses and let their realized profits running. Keep a steady policy for both cases. Either you keep them overnight or you don't. And this concludes our 5-step process, as we have seen: the preparation stage, the pre-trade analysis, the trading decision, how do you behave after you place a trade, and what are the actions you need to take after you come back to your trading desk and when you think of closing your current opening positions. Thank you very much for watching this session, and I would like to wish you all to have a nice day ahead.
Okay, guys, as I have informed you in the live trade, the dollar CHF, I think is the last trade of the day, because I told you, if you remember, that we will have 1, maybe 2 trades. Dollar CAD didn't give the setup I wanted, but dollar CHF gave a very good setup, so I have shorted dollar CHF. And as I have said to you here, my stop loss is 99.52. However, if I see 1 hour close above 99.34, the setup for the short position will be cancelled, and I will close it manually. So this keeps continuous monitoring, and my take profit is at 99.12. The trade is developing well for the moment. Currently, we have covered the spread cost of $200, and currently we are making a bit more, almost $600. So let me repeat myself. I have placed my stop loss at 99.54, but that's a very tight setup for short positions. If I see a 1 hour close candle above 99.34, I will close it with a loss manually. My take profit is at 99.12, and we have news announcements in 6 minutes. We have actually PPI for the United States and unemployment claims, so definitely we expect some volatility there. We will see how it goes, and I will inform you about the progress of the trade shortly. Thank you very much. Excellent. Hello guys, and welcome to, can you hear me clearly and see my screen, guys? Yes, no, just type in the chat room a yes or a no. Elif, can you hear me? Okay, excellent. So welcome to the afternoon session, guys. This is Kyriakos Harilou from the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy. Welcome, Daniel, and nice to have you here with us. Welcome, Rachel. Good afternoon, Richard. Good afternoon, William. Good afternoon, Alan. Good afternoon, Stephen. So lots of people today in our trading room, guys. As I have informed you before in the chat room, and also I went live and informed you, I have placed finally I think it's the last trade we will have for the day. And it is a short position, as you can see here on dollar CHF. This is a dollar CHF chart. Currently, this position is making me around $1,300. However, there is a small possibility, guys, to have extra trades on dollar yen and euro yen. So what we have done for the day so far, we have managed to realize a profits of $4,500. This position is making us around $1,300. And there is a small possibility, guys, for some more trades in this afternoon session. And these trades most probably will be on dollar yen and euro yen. There was a sudden drop, as you can see here, on euro yen. And if the setup is made, I will short it. And also there was a big drop on dollar yen. And if the setup is completed by the closure of this hour, that's in 4 minutes from now, most probably I will enter also short positions for dollar yen as well. Now, it is very important here that the dollar CHF trade needs continuous monitoring, guys. That's our current position. If I see a close above 99.34 on a 1 hour basis, I will manually close the position with a loss before it hits my stop loss order. So it needs continuous monitoring. Whether or not I will keep this position, I will decide by the end of the trading session. Maybe I close it with you, maybe I keep it overnight. I will decide by the end of the trading session, guys. So I'm just waiting patiently now for these 1 hour candles on dollar yen and euro yen to close. And if I get the setup, I will put 2 more trades for today. I already have, as I told you, a short position on dollar CHF. There it is, my short position. So I have shorted it at 99.31.3, stop loss 99.52, but as I said, it needs continued monitoring. And my take profit, guys, for that trade is 99.12, aiming for $388 profit. So I'm patiently waiting for 2 more minutes to see if I will get the confirmation to short euro yen and dollar yen. So stay with me, guys, and we will see what will happen in approximately 1.5 minutes. If I get the setup, I will short it. If I don't, I will simply stay with dollar CHF. And as I said, I will decide at the end of the session if I will close it or not. And why am I saying this? Because as I said, this trade needs continuous monitoring. We definitely don't want to see a close above this level. Okay, I see Elif has a very good trade, so I'm transferring you to Elif.
Now, do you hear me, guys? Great, great. Welcome to the afternoon. I just wanted to tell you guys that, oh, I moved already. We opened 10 minutes ago. I don't know if you saw it on chat. We opened a buy position on DAX and it was almost ready to hit take profit. I opened 2 positions, as you can see, almost at the same price, and I'm now considering to move the take profit of the one a bit higher, guys. This is what I will do. I don't know if anybody managed to follow me. I moved the one at a bit higher, so the one trade will get triggered, so we have something in the box. The movement is so nice. I'm sure that it will. Come on, guys. Okay, I will move also the other one. It's too nice. The movement is too nice. I don't want to stop it because it's very clear. The movement is a very clear uptrend, and I don't want to. Yes, Alan, you are making. Yeah, you closed already $600. Good job, man. I want to, you see, it's very nice on the Bollinger Band, moving very nice. Also our stochastic oscillator. I will give you a hint, guys, regarding the stochastic oscillator, and then I will pass also directly back to Kyriakos until the opening, until the US opening. The stage is his. So basically, I will give you a hint regarding the stochastic oscillator. You know, I'm working a lot with stochastic oscillator, and when you see this kind of formation on stochastic oscillator, where the slow moving and the fast moving are all the time. Hello, Mary, welcome. Yeah, if you see that they all the time cross each other on the oversold area, this is a very strong trend signal, that the trend is very strong. If it's a buy trend, then it's buy. If it's a short trend, then it's a short signal. This means over here, like it is over here. Look, see this and this. You see the difference, guys? You see the difference? Here it's one cross and then the market drops. And you see here it's drops. But when it's like that it's all the time crossing above, below, then this means that this trend will continue. And that's why I moved my take profits a bit further up to get a bit more. So this was in a very short description of the momentum. I will pass now to Kyriakos because after the US opening, the stage is mine. So Kyriakos, have fun.
Thank you, Elif. And guys, as you can see, I have just placed 2 new trades. I have entered short positions on Euro Yen. My stop with 20 lots. My stop loss is at 128.99. And my take profit is at 128.39. So I have just placed a short position on Euro Yen. The setup was completed. And also I have shorted the dollar yen. This is dollar yen. My stop loss will be 111.26. 0.26, 100, we are missing one here, okay. And my take profit will be 110.66. So these are the new 2 trades for the moment. Nice, very nice. Okay, guys, let me show you the charts as well. After, let me see if I have anything else I can trade. I have traded Euro Yen, a nice decline, already making us around $200. And this decline here on dollar yen has also triggered my second short position. So guys, for the moment, as you can realize, I have 3 positions running. I'm short dollar CHF, that's the dollar CHF setup. I am short Euro Yen, That's the euro yen, already making us around $500. That's very good. And also I have shorted dollar CHF, currently losing us around $450. So guys, we are currently almost $1,000 profit, unrealized of course, so we cannot celebrate unless we hit take profits. So I will update you if I have any more trades. I think we have over exceeded my forecast. I said 1 or 2 trades. Actually, we have placed, as you can see, 3 trades in the afternoon session. I will inform you how they go. I will see if I will keep them or not by the end of the session. As I said, they need continuous monitoring. For dollar yen, I don't want to see, for example, a close above 111.15. If I do that, I will manually close the trade, so it's not just placing stop loss. The way I'm trading, you need continuous monitoring. So I will draw my line here, my horizontal line, 140, 111, 142. Let me place that 142. This is the level I'm watching. Although I have a stop loss, it doesn't matter. If I see a 1 hour close above it, I will simply close it. And on euro yen, despite the fact that my stop loss is up there, I will also place here my line. Let me see the level, 128.85. There it is. If I see a close above that level, I will close it manually. So for the moment, our biggest loser, let's say, is losing us around, let me show you what I mean. Our biggest loser is dollar yen. It didn't move yet. It's losing us $450, out of which $200 is the spread. So it's peanuts. Basically, you can see at the top right corner, euro yen is dropping very nicely as soon as we shorted it. Okay, guys, I think we might hit take profit this hour on euro yen. If this drop continues, that's $5,390 from euro yen. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully we manage today to break the level of $7,000 profits. I hope and I believe that together, guys, we can break. Let's go for 10,000. Let's see if we can go for 10,000 profits today. We can do it. If the markets move fast, we can do it. We will see what happens, guys. I don't want to overestimate myself, but we will see. Maybe we close with a loss, who knows? But I'm quite confident that we will do very well as well. So how many of you followed us on these last 2 trades, guys? Remember, we have last 3 trades. We have shorted dollar CHF. We have shorted right now, a while ago, dollar, euro yen, and also we have shorted as well dollar yen. So short dollar CHF, short dollar yen, short euro yen. These are the trades that we have placed for this afternoon session. So we will see what happens, and of course I will update you on all these trades. I'm checking now to see if I have anything else to trade. We have already placed a number of trades today. I think we traded 5, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs in the morning and 3 pairs in the afternoon. That's 9 pairs. We have touched all the majors, guys. So we have placed at least 1 trade on every majors. So it's a good day, actually. A lot of trading volume from me here. So have you followed us, guys, on any trades? Anything that is not clear, feel free to ask us in the chat room, and we will be more than glad to answer to your questions. Moreover, we still have 10 minutes from the US Open. Tomorrow, guys, it's a very good day for us because tomorrow, finally, we have some news announcements that will cause some important movement in the Forex market, at least. We are monitoring the news guides from forexlive.com, okay? And it is a Super Friday tomorrow for the British pound. We have at 8:30 GDP, month on month. We have manufacturing production, month of month. We have preliminary GDP, quarter to quarter. We have goods trade balance, preliminary business investment, quarter on quarter. And all this will be at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning UTC time, GBP. Moreover, in the afternoon, 12:30 p.m., crazy day for the dollar cut tomorrow. We have employment change and unemployment rate for the dollar cut. And also we have for the United States, the same hour, 12:30, CPI and core CPI. So it's going to be a great day tomorrow. I believe that a lot of volatility will be caused, especially during our morning session around 8:30 and just before our afternoon session around 12:30. We will definitely have some nice movements, and I believe we can make some money during these hours from already open positions. So that's all I have for the moment. I don't see any other trading opportunities. I believe these were the last trades for the day. Currently, we are up $1,238. And guys, what do you think? Shall we close everything and get our $5,000? Shall we close everything? Okay, guys, let's close everything. Let me close everything just to be stress-free. I will close everything. I have just closed everything, guys. And we have made for the day $5,600. It's enough. It's enough. I was really stressed this morning because, as you can see, I started the day with 5,000 losses. Then I have made some nice profits, and I don't want to stress more. I believe that we managed to make some decent profits also by now. So why stress and ruin everything? Tomorrow is a new day, guys. I closed everything and we have made again a decent profit of $1,100 in the afternoon. It's enough for today. Let's hope that every day we get $5,600. So I'm done for the day, guys. Let's keep the pace for tomorrow morning for more trades. I will go today and enjoy my team Abuel. It's Europa League today. We are playing against an Israeli team, Ber Ashiv, in Israel. So I don't know if you are watching football, guys. If you know Abuel from Cyprus, we reached the 8 finals of the Champions League back in 2012. So I will just sit there and relax and enjoy. I think the money I made, $5,500, it's enough for some beers and burgers. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. Remember, tomorrow we will have some important news announcements, okay? So we will have our eyes open definitely here, because it's going to be a crazy day tomorrow. I guarantee you that. A lot of volatility, and we will try, of course, our best and make some money. So I have closed the day with $5,600. It's enough. So now, in approximately 10 minutes, Elif show will start, and she will make money, of course, as she does the majority of the times on the US indices and the metals. So, guys, if you have any questions, anything at all, just let us know in the chat room. Let me remind you about your account mentors, your account managers here at Trademy. As I said many times, we are offering great opportunities for people who want to become successful traders. We have high quality training programs. We have an exceptional support team with years of experience, and I'm referring to your account managers, guys, who are the people behind the phone doing excellent support job, and thank you for that, guys. I'm referring now to the account managers. You have the mentors, me and Elif, which we can assist you improve your trading performance, design a trading strategy depending on on what type of trader you are. We can take your system and turn it into profitable. We can identify weaknesses of your system if you ask for our assistance. And of course, we can design your money management strategy. All this, if for example, you see something in the theory that you don't know how it works in practice, you can contact your account managers and they can arrange a one-to-one session either with Elif or with myself. And we can show you how things are done in practice, because it's another thing to read it from the books and another thing to learn it practically how it works. And the most important advantage of Trademy, guys, and contact your account managers for that, depending on the training program you will get money to trade, starting from $6,000-$10,000 trading accounts, and your trading accounts, always depending on the training program you have chosen, can exceed $150,000. Fully funded account by Trademy with more than 70% profit sharing ratio for you guys. After all, what's the point of learning something if you cannot apply it and trade with it and make money out of it? So we have the whole package here at Trademy. Take advantage in a good sense of everybody, and the account manager and myself and Elif and the whole environment at Trademy in order to become successful traders. So having said that, and having only 5 minutes until the US Open, I don't know if Elif, are you ready? Okay, she's ready. She's always ready. So, Elif, yes?
Yes.
All right, there we go.
Hello guys, here we are again getting ready for the American Opening. Guys, we had a nice trade this morning on DAX. We have still 2 positions open, and we increased our exposure. We have 2 positions open. We opened them almost at the same price, and we see we will get some money here. We will let it run, and we are looking now to gold, USA 100 and USA 30. Also, for all of you who are interested in USA 500, it's almost on his peak. I will show you there. As you know, S&P is the index of 500 US American shares, and we had the earning release period, and 440, if I'm not mistaken, 440 shares which are included in the USA 500 already announced their earnings, and they were the major of them were very well performing, and this boosted. Let's have a look on the month weekly. I will put it on the monthly one. This boosted the USA 500 value extremely high. Now we are looking at the 1 month chart, which means each candle is the price action within 1 month, and you see last time that it was higher than now. It was, let me see, when was it? It was January 2018, the last earning period. I see Mary is asking me if it's too late to enter now DAX. Yes, Mary, it is a bit late. Hello, Magnus. Magnus just joined us. I think it's his second day today with us. Welcome, and I hope you enjoyed yesterday our live trading session. Back to Mary. I think, Mary, it's a bit too late. We had a pullback. We had a short pullback on DAX. Let me see. Well, let me put it here. We had here a pullback, and it was a good moment to enter. If you can try, or don't use your full exposure, Mary. I wouldn't recommend you to use the full exposure. It might dropped during the American opening down to 12,660-ish. When it drops, then you can increase your exposure if you like. This would be my recommendation, but it's your account. You are the queen of your account, right? Nice, nice, nice. Getting ready for the American opening. Another 6 minutes to go. I hope you could... Alan thinks about Bitcoin. Yes, Alan, we talked this morning about it. It is in a quite low level. Let's put it on a 1 hour chart. And I'm expecting within next week, to be honest, that Bitcoin will drop strong, will start going up. This is what I expect, especially with the news from different stock markets that they take it very serious. Yeah, Alan, for Bitcoin we need a bit more margin. Maybe, Alan, you can change your course and go to the next higher course level where you get a bigger funded account and so you will have more possibilities to trade. I don't know. It's a possibility, right, Alan? So, well, we are... you will stick to DAX. Not a bad idea. Come on, the German Aktienindex will do it. Anybody else from Germany except of me? Anybody else? Yes, DAX is making money, started to make money also for Mary. Nice, nice, nice. We are getting there. I put my take profit also on 2 different points. I will see how the market moves. I might readjust. Geld, genau, Ellen, Geld, ganz gut. Moneten. Moneten is the slang of Geld. Moneten, just for you to know. So, yeah, we will make some Moneten and we see how it goes right now. Let's start with our setup, right? Right. So we start with our setup. Let me see if Daniel joined us. Yes, Daniel is also with us. Yesterday he entered a bit late and I think he didn't manage to see all of our trades, but today he's with us. Welcome, Daniel. Now let's see. Let's start to make our setup. We are looking to USA 100, USA 30, which is Dow Jones, and I'm looking also, let's put also USA 500. Although the movements of USA 500 are very nice, but we have to go with a big exposure. It's not giving us so much profits as USA 100 and USA 30. However, we see also interesting to know, yes, I told you that 440 shares of US, including in USA 500, already announced their earning releases, and now it's time for them to and so the results were pushed quite high. And if we check USA 100, let's check it also in the weekly chart. Also, USA 100 is showing a very, very well uptrend. I remember I had a very nice discussion. We have another two minutes to go, so I can tell you about this story. November before Trump was elected. I had a client with I was talking to, and he told me, if he's watching us, Hans, hello. He was telling me he will open all US indices because he believes if Trump gets elected in the next 2 years, all the indices, they will jump very high because Trump is a very supporter of companies, and he will support and he will do anything he can do to get them high. And indeed he was right, guys. Let's put on the monthly chart. Look at this picture. We are on the monthly chart. Each candle shows a month. Look, from November 2015 up today, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Only 6 months, and that not in a row. Each share, the asset USA 100 was dropping, otherwise they closed always a bullish candle. It's always a bullish candle, which is a very good result. And when we look at Dow Jones, the picture is similar. Look at this, a very similar picture, except of these 2 months here, which is for the beginning of this year. And yeah, Hans was right. Hans was right. Yeah. Ellen, he says, sounds like a rich man. No, he was a clever man. He was very clever and he knew what he does. I hope for all of you guys that you reach this level where you can say, oh, I talked a lot again. So now it's the opening time, guys, but I needed go. We are buying Dow Jones, guys. We just bought Dow Jones and making already money. USA 100, USA 100. What is happening with USA 100? USA 100 is since yesterday giving me a bit difficult time. Let me see. Okay, now I will buy USA 100 now that it pulled back. There we go. So I'm long on USA 100 and I'm long on USA 300, USA 100 and USA 30, and I will close them very, very fast, guys. I will not make the mistake. I have myself under control. Woo, 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 woo. Guys, look at this. This is nice. This is nice, isn't it? Let me put also gold. Maybe we find also a nice possibility on gold. No, gold is that. We are making right now $400 on USA 30, $500 and $200 on USA 100. So on So let me see. Since it started to slow down, I will close the position with my profit of $415 here because it slowed down a bit. I will get my money and be happy, guys. And come on. Come, I closed. Shit. Sorry. So, now. Okay, I'm getting ready. To buy again. USA 100, but it's too late now. But I will buy definitely I'm buying again USA 30 and I'm buying again USA 100. It became at the same price. So I increased my exposure on USA 100. There we go. On USA 30, we started to make money. So guys, I'm considering come on. Okay, I will sell now directly 100 lots USA 30. There we go. I just sold it. I just sold it and I will close the USA 100 positions with a loss. It's okay. We have a loss over there, no problem. And we will get the profit out of this one position which we opened. So on gold, I'm tending to sell a bit gold. It is a nice movement down. I'm selling gold as well right now. I just sold gold. So guys, now it looks a bit, we have to decide what to do. Okay. Okay, I'm thinking now. USA 100 is going again up. Okay, now we have a hedge difference of $700. Okay, I will hedge now, guys. I'm hedging now. I'm selling Dow Jones. And I'm buying now USA 30. So USA 30, my buy position on USA 30. Now we have to be very, very carefully. My buy position on USA 30 will have a take profit. Let me put a take profit of 7,471.72. Yep. This is my take profit over there. And I'm aiming a profit of $400. And my sell position on USA 100 will have a will have a take profit of $7,450. So let me see. I will adjust it a bit more. This is it. This is it, guys. And this will work out, I'm sure, because here we see these are the levels where the market turns back. So our buy position will hit take profit and turn back. And these are the levels where it is turning back the sell position, and it will hit and turn back again. This is what we will do with USA 100. No worries, all are good. So let's see, next one. USA 30. There we go, we hit our take profit on USA 100 with $450 of profit. No, $850 of profit. And in a short while it will reverse, and when it's reversed I will enter again a short position here. So Dow Jones, what's happening with Dow Jones? Okay. Ching ching, yes, Mary, ching ching. I have to close all these positions and then I make ching ching. What's going on with gold? Gold is still stuck, still moving up over there. So no worries about gold. On USA 30. We still need a time to move. I see that Kyriakos has an update, guys. I will pass now to Kyriakos to give you an update, and then I will be back here with you guys.
Okay, guys, welcome back. Can you see my screen okay? Guys, I think we might have a short setup for pound dollar. I will try and have this trade opened if I get the confirmation. Now, as you can see, the pairs are making some movements. Guys, I remind you that I have closed my positions on the afternoon. I have closed everything. I opened the short position on dollar CHF and I closed it at 99.28. Now it's 99.19. I was in a rush, but okay, guys, at least we didn't lose. We made money. It's not a bad thing to close positions before. Dollar yen has risen a bit, so I will check. Maybe I will have the opportunity to go short again on dollar yen if it corrects substantially. But the really interesting pair now that got my attention is pound dollar, the cable. It's making a really nice pattern. And I think by the end of the trading session, if I get the confirmation, I will short it, guys. So let me check. Okay. Euro yen might be another to short again. Aussie dollar and New Zealand, we have already traded them. pound dollar, pound dollar, pound dollar, short, pound dollar. I just need to wait this 1 hour to see if I will get the setup, and most probably I will short it, guys, and I will keep it. Let me see the pound dollar closer. So that's the pound dollar. Let me draw my Fibonacci as well to see the retracement levels. 50. All right. 50% retracement level on the 1 hour chart of pound dollar. The 50 and the 61.8 are the strongest resistance levels, psychological resistance levels, guys. So let's go back again. Let me see. No, you have to be very patient in Forex. If you hurry up, you need to get all the confirmations you can get, guys. That's very important. You need to get every single confirmation of the system that you have, you can get. If one thing doesn't confirm it, you simply don't trade it, as simple as that. So I'm now checking the stop loss and the risk reward ratios I will use. Okay, I will see what I will do by the end of the hour. We still have 15 more minutes, guys. Let me see if I have anything else. Aussie dollar will close with profit. New Zealand will close with profit. Euro and dollar, we traded it. Pound dollar, let me see. Okay. Okay, guys, I would place a sell limit order. Sell limit order euro yen again. If it does this favor to us, that would be great. Sell limit order on euro yen at 128.69. 128.69. That's my sell limit order on euro yen. I have just placed a sell limit order on euro yen, guys. So let me. Mary says she's impatient and shorted pound dollar. It's looking good, Mary, but I need some confirmation. I need some more confirmation for that. But it's looking good for a short position, yes. But I want to get 100% confirmation signals. So I have placed a sell limit order on euro yen with a stop loss of 30 pips, guys. So my stop loss will be 128.99 and take profit 128.39. Let's see if we manage and get this trade triggered. Elif, you have an update? Okay, let's go to Elif and then you come back.
Hey guys, here I am. Basically, as you remember, we are hedged on USA 30, and now we are making on the short position $400, and I will close this trade. Once we make $400, I will close the short trade on our. Come on. I closed it, and now we are waiting for USA 30 to start the reversal because it will reach again that point, and I will close it with I will buy USA 30 again to open to get also the money out of this move. With USA 100, I'm still a bit I'm still watching it, how to react on it. We are short on this trade. we hit our take profit from the buy position. Also here we were hedged. We hit our take profit, and I'm considering to sell it again because I'm expecting up to here, a movement up to here. Yes, guys, I will sell it. Come on. I'm selling it right now. I sold again USA 100. I go full exposure, and I'm making already $300. I'm making already money on this sell trade. Okay, guys, let me put here a take profit. This is what we need to do. We have to all the time to enter and exit. Okay. So I want here at 7,465. I want a take profit. USA 30, what's going on with USA 30? USA 30, we have, come on, USA 30. We are long on USA 30 and it's dropping. I'm expecting now that it will start to go up, and I will buy. I will buy now. I bought. I bought more of USA 30, guys. If somebody don't understand what I'm trading and why I'm trading it, just let me know in chat and I will explain it a bit more in detail. So right now I am long on USA 30 because I'm expecting the market to move up, and I got a lower price as well, so I get a profit out of this distance here while I'm waiting to reach my first position. I am short on USA 30, USA 100. Okay, here we go. I might even short USA 100 again. Guys, yes, I might even... Let me see. So, Kyriakos is... Yeah, I see that Kyriakos wants to share with you guys his...
Okay, guys, I have opened again short positions on Euro Yen and on Dollar Yen. As you can see, I have shorted Dollar Yen at 110.99, stop loss 111.26, take profit 110.66, and also I have shorted again Euro Yen, stop loss 128.99, take profit 128.39. These two, look at dollar CHF, guys, look at dollar CHF, and I closed it, unfortunately. Anyway, Anyway, we still made money on that. No need to be sorry about that. So I have shorted these two pairs and I'm planning to keep them overnight. Of course, I will be checking them all the time. I have my stop losses there. Look, dollar CHF is going really down now. And guys, I believe we will have the last trade for the day. I will in approximately 10 minutes from now. I believe the setup will be ready to also short pound dollar. So these positions, I'm keeping them. I will monitor them, and I will let you know by tomorrow how I did. Now, important levels for those who have followed us, guys, are the following. If you see on dollar yen, okay, we have the stop loss at 111.26. But if you see an hourly close above 111.142, even a tenth of a pip, and I'm very strict on that, just close the position with a loss. The same goes for write down the levels, guys, if you have followed us. Dollar yen at 1 hour close above 111.142, close the position, accept your losses. For euro yen, I have entered short positions. I have placed my stop loss in any case at 128.99. But if I see a 1 hour close, and I emphasize on the close, above 128.85, I will close the position with a loss manually as well. TP for euro yen, aiming for $4,270 at 128.39. TP for dollar yen at 110.66, aiming for another $5,950 more or less. And also, I think I will get the short position set up before the end of today's trading session. I think I will get it for pound dollar, and if I get it for pound dollar, I will place it also and monitoring for tonight. So I'm patiently waiting. In 10 minutes, the 1 hour candle will close, and I will see how the trades develop and monitor them through the night. If you are placing positions around this hour, guys, you definitely need to monitor them during the evening. So I'm patiently waiting now. Forex is all about patience. You have to be patient and don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Let your trades run. For example, I made a mistake on dollar CHF. I was short and I closed it. I shouldn't have done that. Pound dollar, I'm looking for short positions, Daniel, as soon as I have the confirmation. The confirmation might come, might not. So I'm patiently waiting, Daniel, now to get the confirmation set up. And as soon as I get the confirmation set up, I will place it with you guys live now. So remember, guys, that I have already shorted dollar yen and euro yen. Unfortunately, very bad from me. I had short positions on dollar CHF, and look at this drop. I should have made $3,000. I made only $1,700 from the afternoon, $1,500. We still have the $5,600 daily profit, but I should have made more today, much more. Anyway, I'm still learning. Despite 14 years, I'm still learning. This job, you never stop learning. Every day you learn. Anyway, we still have our two short positions on dollar yen and euro yen. Remember of the levels, guys, those of you who are following us, we need continuous monitoring throughout the night. If you see a 1 hour candle for euro yen closing above 128.85, close the short position with a loss. If you see a close on dollar yen, 1 hour close above 111.142, even with a tenth of a pip, close it with a loss. You don't need to wait to hit stop loss. Just close it with a loss because the setup for the downside will be cancelled. As simple as that. It's a very simple setup. So I'm patiently waiting now for Elif, you have an update? Okay. I'm patiently waiting for 5 more minutes. We'll go to Elif. Elif is okay, and you come back to me after 3 minutes. All right.
Hello guys. Basically why I want the phone is I want to tell you about the USA 100, USA 30 position, the Dow Jones position. As you remember, we are long here, we entered long here, it dropped, we entered then again long here, and see there we are making $1,100, and I put a take profit at $1,300, $400. And we are looking at USA 100. I sold USA 100 again. As you remember, the one position is making right now money, and the gap to the others is getting smaller. So guys, this is normal, and we have to be very patient when trading and be aware what we do, and use the movement accordingly. So what I'm looking at is basically now with there it's very, yes, we hit take profit. We made on USA 100 $1,500, and our distance to the next trade is getting smaller. Even if we close this trade now, we are above, so it's good. We are also with USA 100, with USA 30, we are quite in a good position. The price is moving in our favor. It's moving in our favor, and we get there. Slowly we make up, we break even. You remember we had 2 trades which we closed on USA 100 with a small loss, and with this one trade on USA 30 we covered our loss, we broke even, and now we are looking at the rest remaining positions. USA 100 is really fighting right now. The bulls are fighting with the bears right now. They don't know in which direction it should go, but we will get there. We will get there. On USA 30, it looks quite clear that this will be an uptrend, while with USA 100, the bulls and the bears, they are fighting, as you can see also on the chart. On gold, we have also a position on gold open. During the opening, during the American opening, normally gold drops because of the market moves a bit. The money in the market moves towards the indices and the shares, and they are taken away from gold. But today it was not the case. It went a bit up, but the general trend of the day, we see it will go. You see, it will go up. So I'm not worried about. I see that Kyriakos has an update for you guys.
Okay, guys, now is the time to ask the assistance of the audience. So, currently, the short positions on dollar, yen, and euro yen are making us some money. Let's see now if the setup is ready for pound dollar to short it. and I will correct, in inverted commas, my stop losses in order not to be in a worry and monitor the platform all the time. So what I will do, I will change my stop loss for Euro Yen, guys. I will take it a bit lower and leave it there. I will take it at 128.95. So that's the stop loss. I will lower it a bit down. So I have just adjusted the Euro Yen stop loss to 128.95. Now, let's see if we will have the short position set up. Daniel, are you watching us? Let me get ready. If I have the short position set up for pound dollar, I will short it, guys. Let me see if I will have the setup any second now. Any second now. I just want the 1 hour candle to close. Okay, short pound dollar, guys. We just shorted pound dollar. I just shorted pound dollar, guys. That's the last trade of the day. So we just shorted pound dollar. The setup was made. And let me put also the stop losses and the take profits. Let me check here the closing price of pound dollar. Let me zoom in the chart a bit. Good, Mary. I think it's a good trade. So 1.2878. So my stop loss for pound dollar is at, no, let's put the take profit first. The take profit will be, guys, 1.2848. That's our TP. And our stop loss will be at 129.01. So stop loss 1.2901. So let's go back. Let's go back. So take profit, stop loss first, 129.01, TP 128.48. So 20 lots. How many of you have followed us on this last trade? And I'm also shorting, guys, euro dollar. Let me short euro dollar as well. Euro dollar also gave a short position setup. So I have just shorted also euro dollar. These are the last trade. I don't know. Now everything gave us a good setup. We are taking advantage of it, of course. I just shorted also euro dollar, guys. I just shorted euro dollar. Let me determine now my stop loss. Stop loss is at 1.15, 1.1607, and take profit. It's at 115.62. So that's the take profit. So stop loss 116.07. Guys, be careful with your risk management. Be very careful with your risk management procedures. So take stop loss 116.07, take profit 115.62. All right. So these are the last positions I have taken for the day. Pound dollar is losing us money, guys. We will monitor them and we will see how they behave. We will see, guys. So these are the 4 trades I have placed. Risk reward ratios are very important, as I have mentioned many times. 111. Okay, also the dollar yen trade, I will adjust my stop loss. I will put it for dollar yen. The stop loss will be at 111.242, guys. So dollar yen, stop loss 111.242. All right. Let's see how these trades will develop. Let me check as well my reward to risk ratios. For euro dollar, I'm risking $3,400, aiming for $5,580. For pound dollar, I'm risking $4,340, aiming for $6,260. For euro yen, $5,823. The risk reward ratio on euro yen is not so great, but it's okay. I will leave it. $4,500, aiming for, let me see, on dollar yen for $5,949. Okay, guys, for the moment, our biggest loser is pound dollar. Our biggest winner is dollar yen. Some positions are losing, some positions are making money, guys. Don't be afraid by if you see there a loss, let's say $15,000. If I lose $20,000, it's normal for me, guys, because 20,000 divided by 1,200,000. I mean, I'm risking 1.7% of my account value. So even if we see a loss of $20,000 tomorrow, there is not a big deal for me. The key, guys, is for you to feel comfortable with your position sizes. I'm used to these numbers. I'm trading for 15 years. I'm used to these losses. I'm used to these profits. The key is to be careful with your risk management of your trading accounts. So for positions, I will leave them open. Follow us on Twitter. I will publish any updates. That's the end of the trading session. A wonderful trading session for at least myself today and our team here at Trademy. I have made $5,600 realized positions. And I think, Elif, you made also some money as well. Great. So that's all I have for the moment. Thank you very much for watching us, guys. I don't know how many of you have followed us on any of these trades, but I will stress it out. We are not always correct. We might be wrong. You are responsible for the risk management of your account. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your day. See you tomorrow at 8 a.m. UTC time. Have a wonderful night ahead. Thank you.